My fellow Oregonians, in recent weeks, as COVID-19 vaccines reach the final stages of approval, I've said time and time again that hope is on the way. Today, I can tell you that help is here. Over the weekend, doctors and scientists from the FDA, the CDC, and the Western States Scientific Safety Review Work Group affirmed that the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine is both safe and effective. Today, the first shipments of that vaccine arrived in Oregon, the first of many that will be distributed across the entire state. Starting with the frontline healthcare workers who have been our first line of defense against COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic, and the long-term care facility residents who are among the most vulnerable. Each day, more and more Oregonians will be vaccinated against this disease. Throughout the process, we will work very hard to ensure that the Oregonians that have been disproportionately impacted by COVID-19, including those from Black, Indigenous, Latino, Latina, Latinx, Pacific Islander, and tribal communities, have equitable access to these vaccinations. We are certainly in the middle of some of the hardest days of this pandemic. Our hospitals are stretched to capacity, and too many families are losing loved ones just as we enter the holiday season. So many Oregonians have suffered and sacrificed in the last 10 months. But starting this week and each week following, as vaccines become more widely available, we will begin gaining ground in our fight against this disease. We will all want to return to normal life as quickly as possible. Safe and effective vaccines are the key to slowly but surely achieving community-wide immunity to protect us all from COVID-19. And in the meantime, how quickly that day comes depends on all of us doing our part, just as we have done throughout the pandemic. While we work to make vaccines widely available, the fastest way to get our schools and our businesses and our communities back open is to keep working together to use the tried and true methods we know are effective in stopping the spread of this disease. So please, don't let your guard down now when we are so close. Wear your mask, watch your physical distance, wash your hands, stay home when you are sick, and avoid social gatherings with people outside of your household. Meanwhile, I will continue to call on Congress to deliver a robust COVID-19 relief package to help our working families and struggling Oregonians. And I will do everything within my ability at the state level to make resources available to help our families and our businesses. Thank you for everything you have done to help your fellow Oregonians these last 10 months. There is some light at the end of the tunnel. So please stay safe out there.